I will have to go back. I don't know what to do with this baby. Ew. I'm gonna bake it into a cake. Hey, Zep, thank you so much for the tier 1 sub. Thank you. One more. Okay, can you send the tracking number so I can just make sure? I'll go back with it and they'll find it. I already did, but like that specific tracking number, because I know you sent me all of them together. Just remind me which one I haven't gotten. Alright. Guys, what do I do with this baby? I didn't ask for a baby. I'm gonna smash it with a hammer. A hydraulic press would be crazy. Oh man. Yeah, no, we gotta clean the flip up because low-key I'm getting just overwhelmed. Like with all the stuff that you guys gifted me and then all the Christmas stuff, I'm like, we gotta do a clean sweep because it's a new year and yeah, let's start over, you know. Brand new. I don't even know where to put these guys. I think I'm gonna, dude, I don't know. I don't want to think about that right now. I'll put them on this side for now while I clean. Hi Gabriel, thank you so much for the tier 1 sub. Welcome back for 20 months. Yeah, let me turn on those alerts. I forgot. Guys, how's y'all's New Year's? Man, I was supposed to stream tomorrow, but I was so tired. I like was supposed to go to Boomer. Okay, Boomer. Whatever you say, you Boomer.
Melibela.
Oh wow. Rudy, thank you so much for the resub. Welcome back for 19 months. ASAP, welcome back for 65. What? I should put this into like my candle, so it'll burn with the wax. Right? Alright guys, we're gonna sacrifice baby Jesus. This is the baby. This is the baby. This is the baby! The baby. The baby. We drop him into the flames. And with that, we will have the best year. Oh my god, one of the flames went out. That's not— ah! Two of them went out! That's not a good sign. Help! Help! Ah! It broke my lighter. No, it didn't. But, I got wax on all of the wicks, and so they went out. It's really funny though when you think about it because he looks so funny. Ah! Fuck, that hurt. Burned myself. I wait. Mother. What happened to your chair? I had to sell it to pay my health insurance. Alright, we're burning the baby. Baby, no! The baby's not gonna light on fire. It's plastic. It would probably just make microplastics go in the air. But that's what the candle does anyways. It's fine. 2 for 1. My chair is out there. It's just that this chair, like, I feel higher up. And it honestly kind of feels nice. Like, I want to look into